Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about inventory valuation in Odoo 40. So inventory valuation refers to how you value your stock. It's a very important aspect of a business as inventory can be the biggest asset of a company. So each time a product enters or leaves your stock, the value of your inventory is impacted. The way it is impacted depends on the configuration of your product. So you can set costing method and inventory valuation method for your product category. So you can see costing method which is used to value your goods, and we can set inventory valuation, that is the way you record this value into your accounting books, which can be automatic or manual. So we'll be discussing about this in this video later. Okay. So for costing methods, that is, we can set costing method as standard price, average price, or FIFO. So if you take the case of standard price, so any product will be valued at the cost that you define manually on the product form. So usually this cost is an estimation based on the material and labor needed to obtain the product. So this cost must be reviewed periodically. Then we have average cost, that is taking average purchase cost of the product. So we can calculate the average cost of the product by using this formula, that is former quantity into former average cost plus incoming quantity into purchase price divided by the final quantity. So we'll get the average cost. So the cost of the product is recomputed as each received. So average cost does not change when products leave the warehouse. So, okay, then we have FIFO, that is, the products are valued at their purchase cost. So FIFO means first in, first out. So when a product leaves the stock, that's the first in, first out rule that applies. That is, when a sale order is created, the cost will be updated in this case. So the first value in is the first value out, no matter the storage location, warehouse, or serial number. So it is recommended to use this valuation method, that is FIFO. Okay, then comes the inventory valuation, that is whether to do it manually or automatically. So in case of manual, that is, we can create journal entries, accounting entries manually. But in the second case, account entries will be posted automatically. So it is important to note that accounting entries will depend upon your accounting mode. That is, accounting mode can be continental or Anglo-Saxon. So in continental case, the cost of a good is taken into account as soon as a product is received in stock. But in case of Anglo-Saxon, cost of a good is only recorded as an expense when this good is invoiced to a final customer. Okay. So let's move to our Odoo database and see how this valuation is done. Okay, so let's open our inventory, and there we can manage our product categories. So here we can see our product categories. Just open that and you can find different categories. So let's create a new category. Okay, let be lamps. And here we can set a parent category. Then here we can set routes, logistic details like routes, force removal strategy and all. So here we can find inventory valuation for that can be set for your category. So here we can set the costing method. So again, we can see three options. So first, let me set it as standard price itself. Then here we can set inventory valuation as manual and automated. So in case of manual, entries will be posted, that is, will not be posted automatically. But when you set as automated, then in that case, when product leaves or enters to your stock, an accounting entry will be created automatically. This means your accounting books are always up to date. So this mode is dedicated to expert accountants and advanced users only. So and set as automated or manual. So when you set automated, here we can see an additional field, price difference account can be set under account properties, and you can provide account stock properties here, which includes stock valuation account. Then, so here we can set stock valuation account. So we can set the stock valuation account. So this valuation account is important because when automated inventory valuation is enabled, this account will hold the current value of product. Then we can set the stock input account, then output account. And here we can set the stock journal also. So it is already set as inventory valuation. Okay. Then it is also possible to set input or output accounts on specific locations if you click on this. So after that, you can save the category. So category is created lamps with the costing method, standard price, and inventory valuation automated. So let's choose a product, create a new product. Demo standard. And here we can set the details like product type, sales price, and all. So here we can select the category lamps and just save the product. Now, when you create a bill of material for this product, so here when you come under bill of material, add components here, and if you save this and when you come back, you will be able to find a new option here, that is to compute price from bill of material. So when you click on this, the cost will be taken from the bill of material, but this option is only available for product categories with costing method, average, and standard price. Okay, so using this standard price, as we have set for this category standard price, we can set a standard price for this uh, product. Now, let me create another product. And change the category as lamp, and let me change the configuration of this lamp where I'm changing costing method to average cost. So you can see changing your cost method is an important change that will impact the inventory valuation. Are you sure you want to make change? Then here I'm setting inventory valuation as automated and saving this. Now again I'm creating a new product, demo manual. I'm selecting different category and I'm changing the product category all to costing method as. So I'm creating a new category here. Here I'm setting average cost and manual. So I'm saving this. Okay, then save the product. So we have created two products with a costing method that is average and one with manual inventory valuation and other with automated inventory valuation. So you can see these products here. Now let's go to purchase module and create a purchase order for these products. I'm creating a request for quotation. And here I can set a unit price. So I'm setting 45 for this demo automated and 50 for this demo manual. And here I can change the quantity to 3, then this to 5. Okay. Now let me confirm the order and receive the products. So receipt is validated. Now let me go to accounting module and check the journal entries. So here we can see one entry is automatically posted. Journal entry is automatically posted for the product demo automated, and you can see the journal inventory valuation. All the details can be seen, the total amount. So you can see the stock input account, stock valuation account, everything. But the journal entry is automatically posted or created for the product demo automated and not for the product demo manual. This is because we have set the inventory valuation as manual for the other product. So we have to manually create the journal entry for that product. Okay. Now choose my purchase order. So here, when you open the product for the demo automated, you can see the cost is updated here automatically 45. Now, if I create another request for quotation or purchase order for these products with a different purchase cost, so let me add the products here, demo automated and demo manual. So I'm changing, you can see automatically the previous cost is added here. So I'm changing the cost. I'm purchasing this demo automated for rupees 60 and this for rupees 70. And let me save this and confirm the order and receive the products. Okay. Now if I check my product, you can see the cost is updated. So this cost is calculated by taking the average because first we have purchased a product for rupees 45 and then for a different price, different cost. So the average is taken and the cost is updated here. So this is how average works. So you can also check the second product there also. For that product also, you can see the cost is updated by taking the average cost. Okay. So this is about automated, that is average cost costing method and automated and manual inventory valuation method. Now let's check the case of FIFO, that is first in first out. So let me go back to my inventory module and change the product category settings. So there we have our lamps. So I'm changing this to FIFO FIFO automated. I'm saving this. Okay, so let me go to my products and create a new product. Lamp and okay. So here I'm going to set my category lamp with FIFO or FIFO automated inventory valuation. Okay, so let me create a purchase order or quotation for this product lamp. So I'm setting a unit price as 50. Okay, let me change the quantity. So I'm purchasing two quantity of this lamp for a unit price 50. So you can see the subtotal is 100. Okay, so I'm confirming this order and receiving the product, validating the receipt. Okay, so now if you check the product lamp, you can see the cost is updated, rupees 50. Then you can create a bill for this product. If you want to create bill, you can create that and make the payment. Now let me create another purchase order for this product lamp with a different amount. So I'm setting as 60 and okay, quantity will be 1 itself. And let me confirm the order and receive product and validate the receipt. Okay, now let's create a sale order for this product and see which cost will be taken. That is product with which cost will be sold. So here let me choose my product lamp and I need okay one quantity of this product. Customer need one quantity of this product. So will be confirm the sale order. Okay, this is because we have enabled 3-step for outgoing shipment. So we can just validate each transfer. Okay, now if you check the inventory, product moves. Sorry, inventory valuation. So if you check for your lamp, you can see we have delivered one quantity to customer. So you can see -1. And if you check the value of the product, you can see it is 50 because the cost, the value with the product with value 50 is delivered to customer as the costing method is first in, first out. Now, if you try to create another sale order for the product lamp, mm, sale order is created for 2 unit price, for two quantity of lamp. Validate the transfers. Okay. Now, if you check inventory valuation report, you can see two quantities of the product is moved to customer's location with a value negative 110. This is because for one product, the cost is 50 and for other one it is 60. So if you check the product now, you can see the cost is now updated to 60. So this is how FIFO costing methods works in Odoo 40. So FIFO works only when some products leaves out of your stock. But that is when a sale order is done. Okay. So we have discussed about each costing method and inventory valuation. So that's all about inventory valuation in Odoo 40.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.